Which quotation from the Post Office most effectively illustrates the claim? The Post Office is a 1912 play by Rabindranath Tagore, originally written in Bengali. The character Amal is a young boy who imagines that the people he sees passing the window of his home are carefree even when engaged in work or chores, as is evident when he says to the daughter of the flower seller, "Blink." So the text highlights that in this play, the character Amal imagines people he sees passing the window of his home as carefree, even when they're engaged in work or chores. And there's an example which he says something to the daughter of a flower seller. So let's look at the option choices. A. I see, you don't wish to stop. I don't care to stay on here either. This is incorrect because this doesn't support the claim that he sees people as carefree even when engaged in work or chores. In answer to choice A, there's no one really engaged in any work or chores, and he doesn't really regard them as carefree. So we can eliminate option choice A. B. Oh, flower gathering. That is why your feet seem so glad and your ankle jingle so merrily as you walk. This seems to be the correct answer, because this properly shows how he sees people as carefree even when they're engaged in work or chores. So this person is gathering flowers, and Amal remarks that their feet seem so glad, and their anklets jingle merrily as they walk, which highlights the carefree aspect, even when they're working as gathering. So overall, B seems to be the correct answer. C. I'll pay when I grow up, before I leave to look for work out on the other side of that stream there. This is incorrect because this shows Amal's wishes or dreams something, instead of showing how he sees people as carefree when they are engaged in work or chores. So because this doesn't support the claim here, we can eliminate option choice C. D. Wish I could be out too, then I would pick some flowers for you from the very topmost branches right out of sight. This is incorrect because, like C, this doesn't show that he sees people as carefree when engaged in work or chores, because indeed no one is really engaged in any work or chores, and he doesn't regard them as carefree. Therefore, we can eliminate option choice D, and we know that the correct answer is B.